All right, so we're here with a entrance for the combine custom category here, and I'm kind of speechless at this one actually. So this is a scratch-built 1/16 scale 1979 John Deere 4400 diesel combine. It's made in brass and tin. The final drives are machined from solid aluminum. The doors work. Detailed cab interior. Including a rubber floor mat, folding ladder, unloading auger, also scratch built the 213 head and the 444 corn head. Sorry, that's a mouthful. So this is Kelly Mutschler. He is out of Northlake, Texas. Obviously, super talented builder. He's involved in the farm toy world quite a bit, and he's also involved in the National Farm Toy Builders and Collectors Society, and the pictures just speak for itself. This thing is absolutely incredible. Such amazing detail and attention to detail, craftsmanship, all that. I just admire so much people that can do this sort of thing. It inspires me to do better, to build better, to try new things, all that sort of thing. So when he sent me this, I was just completely blown away. I mean, I knew he was super talented builder, but you know, when you kind of get to see the in progress pictures and really take your time and kind of just look at the pictures, I mean, look at this thing. So I'm not even sure what to say about it, except for it's amazing. Everything kind of works on it, like I said there in the description. The auger folds, the ladder folds, just super quality paint work on it. The decal work is amazing. The tires and wheels are perfect on this thing. Just a really, really high quality build. I mean, this is when you talk high end farm toys, this is it. I mean, this is what you're talking about when you kind of get to that just kind of mountaintop level of detail and craftsmanship. Everything is in place. It's well done. Everything is kind of refined, and just check out that engine work there. I mean, that thing is beautiful. It's incredible. The screens on it. I just can't say enough good things about this. This corn head is awesome. Looks so fantastic on the 4400 there. Just wow. Then you've got the grain platform here as well, with the yellow reel and all of the teeth to grab there. Just really cool. Just absolutely top-notch work. And wow, I want to thank Kelly for sharing this with me, so that I can share it with you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying these pictures. I sure am. It's just, like I said, stuff like this just inspires me to build better, to try new things, to kind of refine things, to really get that every last detail done, and just really cool. There it is with the auger folded out. How neat is that? Just really neat. It's got the supports and everything on there. You know, nothing was overlooked here. Really cool. So thank you for sharing that with me, Kelly, with us, so that we could see it. And I hope everybody enjoyed the video. I'm sure. I hope it inspires others like it did me.